What's up everyone, welcome to my channel again. And today we're going to review about the head unit that I just installed. Before we start today's video, click that subscribe button and follow my Instagram page. And first, this head unit is actually the cheapest double DIN head unit that I can find around me. And the brand is Azu, A-Z-U-R. But I can't find this specific model in their official website. So I don't know, is it original or something, but it is the cheapest double DIN. And I didn't go for the Android unit because Android unit is like a tablet. You need to wait for the head unit to boot up, and it's not as instant as non-Android unit. And the reason I get this head unit is that it is a double DIN. It supports the reverse camera, and the button is located at the lower side, not on the left side, the wrong side, the awkward side of the head unit. And first, let's talk about their good side first. First, it is a double DIN head unit, so it means it supports reverse camera, and in some variant, it supports GPS also. But mine, it doesn't have the GPS. And for this head unit, it produces a better sound than the Proton original head unit. The sound is clearer, and it has a 7-band equalizer instead of Proton 2-band, or is it even considered an equalizer? Now for the back side of the head unit, now actually this unit doesn't really fit on Proton Persona. They need to fabricate a new mounting to mount the head unit. It's not really fit the car. And if you listen to radio more often, well, this head unit doesn't change the frequency automatically. It means that if you move from one state to another state, you have to change the frequency manually. While for Proton, it changes the frequency automatically. You don't need to worry about what's the frequency of that radio on this state and that state. For Proton, it changes automatically. Next, the Bluetooth quality is not that good compared to Proton. Sometimes the connection is like a little bit interrupted for this head unit. And also, the touchscreen is a resistive type touchscreen. It means that you need to apply pressure for it to detect. It's not like the capacitive touchscreen that we used to. So it is less sensitive than our smartphone and basically all our touchscreen. So let's go to some place and we'll talk about the head unit in detail. The head unit is actually quite visible under the bright sun. I mean, now I'm at the shaded area, but it is very visible under the bright sun. And the button is located at the lower part. It is not located at the left part, the awkward side. And for the button, this is the volume down, the volume up, and this is to change between different mode. And for this one, single press to mute. And this is to eject the CD. And this one is to rewind, forward. And you also have AUX, USB, microSD or TF cards. And the CD is over here. And press here to eject the CD. And the GPS, well, for my variant is not supported. So it is just a design with nothing working. And it also have a display off. It helps when you drive on the highway during the night. So it is very basic. It only have the radio, Bluetooth, the CD, I don't know what is auto-link, USB, and as you can see, the touch is not that sensitive because it's a resistive touchscreen. You will not expect a good touchscreen on the resistive. The equalizer, as I said, it has a 7-band, which is better than the Proton. And well, I don't play with this thing, as well as the balance of the sound. And this one is the reset button. I will not touch it. And there's a calculator, but I rarely use. I use my phone for recording everything. and aux in for the aux. And this thing I don't use. So basically it's not a very good head unit, but it at least is a double DIN and it supports reverse camera. The reverse camera automatically activates when I put it in reverse. And the display is actually quite good. Believe it or not, it is far more better than the Myview original camera. It is also visible during the night. So this is reversing. You can see the quality is actually quite good. It is very visible. And I just realized the reverse sensor of the Persona is not sensitive. It's just that we drive too fast. And yup, it's very simple with the reverse camera. So am I recommend installing this head unit? Well, for this head unit, no, I'm not recommend, because it does not fit, and for some place it is not better than the Proton's original one. And actually the Protons, they give you a Blaupunk head unit, which is a good one. And if you want to upgrade your head unit, I recommend you go for the original one, the full spec double DIN head unit, touchscreen unit, because it will be much better, it will fit much better. Maybe you should change the camera. I don't know about the camera quality, or is there any reverse camera on the higher variant, because there is actually a slot at the trunk leg where you install the reverse camera. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like the video, click the thumbs up. If you want to say anything, just comment. And if you haven't, click that subscribe button. And I'll see you in the next video.